Have you ever looked at your bank balance and felt your heart race? Like that number is somehow measuring your entire life. Here's the crazy part. That number isn't even real, not in the way you think. So what is money really? Is it paper, coins, a number in an app, or just an idea? If money disappeared tomorrow, would food vanish? Would houses disappear? No, the real things, the essentials, would still be here. Money only works when everyone believes in it, and when that belief breaks, everything changes. Back in the 1920s, people trusted banks completely, and then one day, that trust shattered. Banks crashed, and people rushed to withdraw their cash. The shocking thing? The money didn't disappear. Trust did. Food, factories, and skilled workers were still there. Even today, the same principle applies. If Instagram or YouTube disappeared tomorrow, would your skills vanish?